These are the Ultragene Productions tutorials. What will you learn? You'll learn ways of using the computer to develop all types of media. For example, you will be creating animations in Adobe Animate. You'll learn the brief history of the way Animate got developed. You'll hear the history of HTML. You'll go through tutorials which make you create your own media in all different ways. For example, audio. For example, animation, like this one here. Video editing with Adobe Premiere. I am Benjamin John, who is the director and designer and the creator of the company Ultragene Productions. I hope you learn and appreciate how powerful a computer can be when making media and producing your own work and being happy as an artist if you learn the ways that I'm an artist and become something that makes you fluent on a computer.